Welcome back to the Logicom Tech Talk, live from GITEX 2024. My name is Alexandra Topalian, your podcast host, and I have the pleasure of being here today with Christian Khalil, the partner technical lead for NetApp. So welcome, Christian. It's nice to have you here with us today.
Fine. No, thank you, and thank you for giving me the chance to be part of this podcast.
We're very happy to have you here, Christian. So we're talking about, the latest trends, technologies, but more specifically, I would like to ask you about some of the recent challenges and opportunities that you've faced in the industry and how you're addressing them.
Okay, so if we look at the challenges that we see in the market
Yes.
across multiple or different industries,
Yeah.
these are mainly the top three challenges that we see is the security number one,
Yeah.
then the number two, which is how to reduce the cost of the operation, IT operation, okay, mainly simplicity.
Right.
And the third point is mainly around the scalability or the performance in order to host new type of workloads like AI workload. So the infrastructure has to be ready for such workload which have special requirement on the industry. So these are mainly the top three challenges.
Okay.
The security is the top one because this is mainly from a business perspective. The highest risk is actually the security, cyber security.
Yes.
Attacks.
And it does affect the
Okay,
cost.
and it will affect.
Yeah.
Yes. So the third one is actually the simplicity, and here the simplicity is to reduce the cost of the IT operation in order to fund innovation project like AI, one of them.
Yes.
So this is the idea of
Okay.
simplicity.
And what is NetApp doing to address these three that you've just
Okay.
brought up now?
Okay, so from NetApp perspective, we can turn these challenges into opportunities. So when this is actually based on a solution-based outcome, so we look at the solution. We have a portfolio of solution related to AI.
Yes.
The differentiator about NetApp is that the same operating system can run enterprise level workload and also AI type of workload. Okay, and
Okay.
the same solution is actually available on premise, on the edge, okay, remote branches, remote site, and also in the cloud. So it's
Right.
like a unified data storage. This will allow the customer to reduce the overall
Okay.
environment complexity. So it's more simple. And at the same time, it's a highly scalable solution that you can start very, very small and you can grow massively. So
Okay.
at any time the customer would like to introduce some technology, some new workload, okay, it's ready.
It's ready.
Infrastructure is ready for that. Okay?
Okay. Okay. And can you tell me how you're using AI, how you're leveraging AI?
Okay. So every product have to evolve.
Yes.
Okay. Any product that doesn't evolve, okay, it will not. You will see that that product is actually failing.
So basically, you're failing if you're not using AI.
So, so it's very important, okay, for any industry or any company in order to avoid disruption.
Yes.
They have to innovate. Right? And that innovate mean you have to go for the latest trends. One of these trends is actually the AI trend. Okay, so now we are not anymore in the experimentation phase. We are in the deployment phase. So NetApp actually built the concept of intelligent data infrastructure. Actually,
Okay.
what is intelligent? It's because of the AI impact. So we infused AI into all of our portfolio, okay, all
Okay.
of our products,
Okay.
whether related to security, data management, data protection, okay, and also we serve our customer based on a huge data lake, advanced data lake, which is a modern data lake that will provide our customer proactive care for their system,
Okay.
predictive also. So these are all related to the AI technology that are
Yes.
enabled by the AI itself. And also our ransomware, for example, solution, ransomware protection. So this is based on machine learning with very high accuracy, real time. All of these products evolve. Okay, so NetApp development teams they work in order to infuse AI into these products,
Okay.
so that this solution will be able,
Right.
okay, to protect against advanced attacks which are based on AI or machine learning.
So you've embedded AI
Yes.
into your solution.
Yes.
You mentioned ransomware. Can I ask you to give me like an example of how this works? How your
So-
solution would work at detecting threats?
Okay, so if we look at ransomware attacks,
Yeah.
ransomware attacks are actually trying to encrypt the data or try to expose the data. So
Yes.
if this is a sensitive data, for example, for healthcare, they put it on dark side So this
Yeah.
will create a big issue. Okay.
Right.
So what we need to do is that the storage is the most important asset, or the data is most important asset at the customer.
Okay.
And that protection is a must. It's part of the layers of the security framework. So NetApp protect that layer, which is the data management layer, data layer actually. Okay. How we protect it? We protect it based on machine learning. So we train our model to detect the latest, okay, attacks from ransomware. Okay. So that model will understand that this is a ransomware attack or this is a false attack, okay, and it will evolve. So this is the concept of machine learning, the intelligence.
Right.
And then we deploy that continuous to our appliances which are sitting on premise or in the cloud. So this is not like waiting for the next release of ONTAP in order to get that update. Same like your mobile.
Yes.
Okay, so it's keep on asking, okay, now update, update, update. So it's automatically updating. This means it is real time, okay, ready in order to protect against these advanced attacks or most recent attacks.
These advanced attacks, these increased attacks,
Yes.
is NetApp able to keep up?
Yes.
The technology is
So that
ahead of the
technology
game?
is tested actually
Yeah.
by a third party company, okay, and it got a AAA score with
Fantastic.
a 99% accuracy. So 99% coverage of the available ransomware attack in the market. So if I look at 100 attack, we actually cover 99 attacks out of these 100, and at the same time, the accuracy out of these 99, we detect 99%. Okay.
Wonderful.
So
Proactive.
yeah, it's actually
And
it's
predictive.
a unique solution
Very good, very
because
good.
we see those machine learning based ransomware protection on the backup side. NetApp cover both the production, the primary, and the backup.
Interesting. Tell me a little bit in closing about
Yeah.
your collaboration, more of a collaboration, your partnership with Logicom. How have they helped you grow and fulfill your business?
Yes, so we work closely with Logicom on multiple opportunities with our partners. I work in the enablement part, for technology enablement. I also support them on customer opportunities. The value here comes from a different angles. One of them is the consultant. Okay, so I rely on the pre-sales or the consultant at Logicom in order to deliver the best design for the customer, the sales in order to open doors and in order to negotiate and in order to handle.
So you tell them how to go about.
So we work together on these opportunities.
Fantastic.
Okay, at the end we want to deliver the best value to the customer. Yeah. So it's
Very
about the
well.
customer at the end.
Very well said. Thank you very much for explaining it to me. Thank you.
You're
And I
welcome.
wish you the best of luck in your future at NetApp and with Logicom. Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot. Thank you.